So welcome to tutorial. So today we will talk about how to use ChatGPT. So let's create. So first of all, you need to go chat.openai.com, and then if you already have an account, then log in. If you don't have an account, then create your new account. Let's sign up. So you can log in with your email, with your Google account, with your Microsoft account. So we are logging with our Google account. So let's fill the captcha. So next step is continue with your Google with your account. So which method you want to use? So we are using Google. So we just log in our account, and that is the chat GPT interface example capabilities limitation. So you can read all the details when you log in. So let's try something. So let's type, for example, we are trying how to make office work easy. So what we will get, so let's try this. So we are trying this on how to make office work easy. So chat GPT AI automatically writing a paragraph for us. So here you can see they just completely write a complete small article for us. So that's so easy. For when you write uh, this article, it will take you maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes, but it's that chat GPT write this article within few seconds. So here you can see. So let's, if you don't like this, you can click on regenerate response, then chat GPT will rewrite this. So here you can see two examples is showing. So let's try. So if you want to try chat GPT beta version, so you can try, because chat GPT beta version is next level AI, and but this is in the beta version. So let's, or before trying beta version, let's try another one, how to handle chat. So we are write this heading, and then chat GPT uh, creating some, they answering us, and we can use this answer where we want. So that is amazing. If we write this, it will take some time, but ChatGPT doing in few seconds. So let's try playground beta version of OpenAI ChatGPT beta version. So we are log into beta version to write a tagline for an. So then they will create this. So let's try write an essay on successful business person. Sorry for this. So let's try this. So then click on submit button. Then once we submit on this, then ChatGPT automatically write an essay on this within few seconds. So you can select load up presentation. You can change this text to command, Q&A, English to other language. There is a lot of features available in beta version, and there is a model, and there is a lot of text courier 001 003, and you can select all of this which you want. There is also, when you click on the icon, they will show you example. You can temperature, how much temperature you want. So when you're selecting, there is a dimension at a maximum length, how much length you want. You can select a length, how long article you want, so you can select the length. stop sequences. You can use the stop sequences in your article. So next is stop, and there is a frequent penalty. There is a lot of feature available in chart request text. So let's try another one. So we are removing this, so let's try another one. Right, so let's try how to write book. So then let's try this. So we are selecting words, so let's try this. We are want to 2k words, so that they just writing this article. We select 2k words, but they not write a big article because for a line answer is enough for this. So that's why they not write this, because we load a presentation, not select another thing. Because if we select another one, then maybe they will write 200 word article, but we are not select. You can select Q&A, English to other language, and there are a lot of other things available. So this is a small tutorial about ChatGPT. So if you have any question in your mind, leave in comment section, or if you have something special about this, so leave in comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.